Pothole Heroes specializes in asphalt maintenance, so we do patching, seal coating, striping. Our toolbox is pretty deep in the maintenance department of asphalt. We don't do any paving, and we specialize in getting things done. So we utilize infrared. We like to be small, efficient fire teams of people that show up and do it in a professional way that provides a great experience to customers. When you get into the infrared business, it opens your mind up to this dichotomy of productivity and activity. We're in a business where we got to show up with the biggest truck, the loudest truck. We got to show up with the most guys because that's how we deem ourselves credible. Whereas today, we're out here on an infrared repair. No one knew we were going to be here today. Deliveries were scheduled to come in behind us. Everything was set up like a normal day, and we were making with 2 guys in our truck right here in our KM440. We made no impact. That's that dichotomy of, hey, we don't have to be this big, loud, massive group of people to show up. We can be here doing our job quietly and accomplishing our goals. I always use the toolbox analogy. If I show up as a mechanic to fix your truck and I only bring a 9mm wrench, I'm gonna suck. I'm not gonna get much done. Infrared's no different. This isn't the only thing we do, but it's a primary tool. We get to show up with 2 guys instead of 3 or 4. We get to show up with one simple compact truck, which obviously in turn for the business is a higher margin deal because this patch is as good, if not better, than a lot of saw cuts. So we can charge the same amount of money for less material, less time, less mobilization, less people, and really drive that business. And actually at the end of the day, provide a better solution as well. So not only is it higher margin, is it equivalent revenue, but it's a better solution. Each guy never stops once we start until it's time to take a break, and they're never doing something for the sake of doing something. It's always for the sake of generating revenue, right? If my guy's standing here holding a shovel, he's costing me money. If he's raking asphalt, he's making me money. He's making himself valuable and making himself money. We don't want to do anything for the sake of being busy. We want to do something because it's accomplishing the mission for the day, which is providing a great experience and obviously eliminating liabilities for the customer.